everyone, welcome back to the channel.
What are we going to do today, Harper?
Go-karting.
Is it go-karting or is it?
Quad biking.
Yeah, Zach said, can we go on the quad bike please? But the weather, you can't quite see, and this is no colour grading.
The colour's weird.
It's all yellowy, isn't it? The sky is all yellow. You can't quite make it out, but it is. So the sky's all yellow. I think there's apparently a dust storm.
They're sitting on it now.
They're trying to argue who goes first. Helmet, we need the helmet. Who's got the helmet? Zach's got the helmet.
I want to sit. Who got the goggles? I got the goggles.
Zach's got the helmet.
Goggles, which has mud will go in your face.
Well, let's try and not go through the mud, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
The title of the game.
Right, let's go.
No.
You should just be able to
So this
flip the switch. Then I left the fuel on actually because yeah, so just yank it. That's it. That's it. It'll take a few goes, I think. Oh no, you got to put the choke right up. So that little lever. The little one on the carb. Yep, go straight through that. There.
Yeah.
That's
All
it.
the way.
Press it
Push it
up, right up to the top. And then as soon as it starts, we can turn it off a bit. Might need Daddy to do that. Oh, there we go. Oh, so you do it again, and I'll.
Oh, sorry, Alex.
Drop the choke down a little bit. Done. I don't know why she's dressed head to toe in pink. He's gone. He's off. I've literally no idea why why she's dressed head to toe in pink. But there we go. Let's see if we can get some hooning. Look at this. Oh, she's off again. Right, Terry. How you doing, Terry? Terry the taxi. There he comes. Watch out. Let him do a few turns, Missy. Get out of the road, though. I don't want you to get run over by a wayward... Your eyes watering a bit there, Zach.
I have my eyes open wide.
I wish I could have zoomed in and got your face as you went past, because your eyes were so wide. Miss Pinky. Alright, let's get you dressed. She's utterly mental. Like, she's got that confidence now, and she's just hammering it.
Like, honestly, she would win in a quad bike race easily.
Especially for her age.
Oh, definitely. You got free steam as well. Like immediately.
Yeah. And her turning.
Yeah. Like,
She's getting well good.
oh,
So good. You enjoy that?
we can get your helmet because this ain't your video.
No, you can go on now. Don't worry. Yeah. Oh, do you know where we should go? We should try and take it down that bit.
Like in between the, like in the
Just down.
warehouse?
No, not in the warehouse. Just down that section down there.
Oh, down there?
Yeah, where that weirdo went the other day. Yeah. See you later, aeroplane. That's how close we are to the airport. Here he comes. Watch out. Mental. Chicken Oriental, these guys. Right, we're going to go and have a run down there. So we've gone off-road. I think off-roading was a great choice. Maybe. She's literally, I don't know where she's off. She's going. She's got to get, turn round. Oh, look, see, here comes the aeroplane. Oh, he's taking off. And then Harper's stuck in the mud. I'll go get her. Go, go, go! My days, my shoes. I'm so glad I didn't put my other ones on.
Oh, yeah.
I'm caked. She's feeling away. This is the first time she's done off-road, so,
Yeah, so
she's trying to get. It's so bumpy though, isn't it?
this
So
is even worse than the other.
Yeah. Yeah, she did that a bit. She's done the other bit, but
Yeah.
look at her go. She's snaking all over the place, trying to avoid the puddles. I think. Oh dear.
So you don't mind if I get a bit muddy?
No,
Okay, once if I went full force down here.
I don't care. You would just chuck them in the wash.
Okay, I'll do that.
It's just
I really
commitment.
actually want to go like full.
You want to
speed.
full beans it down
Yeah,
here.
I want
All right, let's go get the mounts for the
GoPro.
GoPro and that.
Well,
So
the GoPro mount's only on the helmet. So
yeah,
just
she's
need to-
off.
we just need to get the one that has battery.
Yeah. I love it. Right, let's get this GoPro mount so we can get some proper off-road footage. GoPro mounted. She rips hard now. Oh God, let me catch her up. It creases me. And now I gotta bloody run after her. Let me check your camera. I'll stop that one. I'm gonna save that and then I'll start. Right, so Zach's now got the GoPro on and he's gonna go full beans down the dirt track. But I said I'd get it up here. Fat man jogging. I want to get by. 4-leaf clover, wicked, let's find it. Right, let's stand to one side because I'm going to send Zachy full send down here, watch. Right, come here, watch. Here he comes, he's going to go. He nearly binned it. Well held. Oh man, this is amazing. So this lane goes to, if you can just see that red sign at the end there, and that is like the limit. You're not allowed past that point because if you can see that fence just there, that's, if you climb over that, you're on the runway. So obviously we can't go over there. But yeah, this is all. We often have cars that come down and park at the end and they take pictures. They're like plane watchers, I suppose that's what you call them. Let's see if we can full beans it back here. Here comes Zach. Oh my days, he's. You can just hear this little bee buzzing in the distance. Right, you stand to that side. Let's let him rip past us.
Can I go over there? Can I go over there?
Yeah, you can come over here. No, just stand next to me. Come behind me. Faster!
Faster!
Watch out, watch out.
Faster! Faster!
I almost fell off like earlier.
I know, I saw.
I stood up there like Valentine's.
Well, that's a good idea. If you, as you're going over this stuff, stand up a bit and use that as a bit of suspension. Yeah. What did you say? You want to go super fast round in circles?
Over there and then come back over. Not over here though. Just go around like this.
You want over there? You want to go around over there? Do you not want to do a bit of off-road?
Okay.
You don't have to.
Over there.
Okay, that's cool.
Not this kind of rough.
Is it a bit bumpy for you?
Yeah. It makes me like, oh, my tummy hurts.
Let's see him coming back.
Stop.
Zach,
I
you
go
seem to be a little bit covered in
What's the move?
Nice.
No.
You're dressed as Mr. Blobby over there.
Oh, Jesus.
Head to turn pink. Was that fun though?
Very, except the time I almost like flipped. But I really had an enjoyment when I went
Yeah,
down
you
there.
hooned it all the way down there and
but
zoomed
then,
back.
There was a problem.
Right.
I was zooming it down back over here. Then it just stopped. I let go of the accelerator. It
started again.
going.
Yeah, sometimes it does that, I don't know why. You want to go? Let's get this helmet on then. Jesus, Harper.
Aim for the biggest puddle.
She literally said, I don't want to get too muddy. She's mental.
She went there to the right and then
I'm
back
getting
to
muddy, Jesus. Did that scare you, Zach?
Yes, honestly. As
You
well,
were full on, flat out though, as you hit that
But the
bump.
thing is, as well, what scared me the most is that you saw earlier that I was scolding Harper because she was next to me whilst I was still going. I was like, nah, that's not safe because first of all, I can't keep in control there.
She's... she wants to do this.
I can't keep in control there, so I was really scared of hitting her. So I was like, okay, just get past Harper. Get past Harper because the go-kart's faster than her running, of course.
Of course. All right, let's see. She wants to have a run on this.
Ah.
Fair play. Hope that the gendarmes don't come this time. Jeez. She's legit faster than you on this.
screw you. I've actually got a sense of fear which will keep me alive.
Yeah, I know. God, she's scares me so much.
Me too, I'm like, oh.
Clenching. Oh, look, she just wants to off-road. She's like, I don't want to go off.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
It's always good. So I'll show you the state of this. Yeah, so we're kind of missing a wheel.
Yeah.
We've got a bolt missing.
Oh, God.
I think we snapped the bolt. Let go of it a sec.
Yep, let go.
Oh, it's upright.
It actually stays upright. But
Not anymore. So we successfully managed to break the quad.
Wait. Let's see all.
Don't point it!
Well done, you nailed that. I'm well proud of you.
Let's see all of our motorized vehicles. Audi.
Wait. No, let's start with this one.
Okay.
We've now broken it.
Quad bike, missing a wheel.
Missing an engine, although it's better. Yeah.
Both missing an engine with no brakes.
Who broke those?
I'm saying the thing that we broke. I'm not going to count the car.
Harper, you're now allowed in the club because you've officially broken something.
High five.
So Zach broke his go-kart. Officially, I haven't broken anything yet.
Technically, yeah.
Not one of these things.
You broke the car.
What? Wait. What? No.
Yeah. Go on.
Okay. So, yeah, I can tell what's coming on the next video. Well, the next quad bike video. Fixing a quad bike. So that was a bit of an impromptu one. We didn't even plan to come out here, did we? But
plus, I really want to go on the quad bike tomorrow.
well, we can. I'm sure we can fix
Oh yeah,
it.
we've definitely snapped this.
Yeah, wicked. Anyway, thanks for watching our chaos, and hopefully we'll be back better than ever when we fix it.
Like,
I won't be back.
like and subscribe.
I'll be in bed relaxing and feeling better.
Probably you're going to be the opposite of the Terminator. You won't be back.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Like whatever he's gonna say, and I'll see you on the next one.
I'm having the time of my life.